In this video, I'm going to show you how to earn your first $300 a day with CPA marketing. And I'm going to show you how to do this for absolutely free. So the first thing you want to do is to go over to coursecity.com. And this is a website that allows you get access to free online courses. And don't worry, we are going to be using these online courses to make money with CPA marketing. So once you come over to this website, all you need to do is to click on the free courses section. And once you do this, it's going to bring you to this page. As you can see, there are several categories of online courses that you can click on and have access to these courses. But we are going to take this first one here as an example. So once I click on this, as you can see, it has sections where you can pick courses from these categories. And also, if you click on topic, you're going to see a lot of topics that you can use as well. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to take ChatGPT as an example. So once I click on that topic, as you can see, there are several courses that I can give away to people and make money. All right. So what you're going to do from here is to look for the most suitable ChatGPT course right here. As you can see, this one here is an example which is going to teach people how to use ChatGPT to make creatives and build their business. All right. So all you need to do from here is to click on this. And as you can see right here, people can get access to this course for absolutely free. So the next thing you want to then do from here is to head over to your CPAGrip account or any CPA network of your choice to create a content locker. So all you need to do is to then come over to the URL file locker section of your account and you want to click on continue. And once you do this, you can come over to the template section and you can use any of these available templates. All right. Since we are going to be giving away courses, I recommend to use this file download template. All right. As people are going to think they are going to be downloading the course to their device. All right. So all you then need to do from here is to go over to the general section and you want to change these details. You can see since we are promoting a ChatGPT course, you want to edit the details accordingly. And also you want to give your locker a name. This is just to keep you organized. So once you give your locker a name, the next thing you want to then do from here is to grab your logged URL. And to get that, all you need to do is to go back to the free online course website and you want to copy this URL right here. And once you copy this URL, you want to then paste in the logged URL right here. So the next thing you want to do from here is to then go over to where it says advanced. And if you come over to advanced, you want to change the number of leads required to 2 or 3. Okay. So once you do this, then you want to also change the number of offers that will be shown to the visitors. You want to change this to like 5. So this is all you need to do to create a content locker. And once you're done, all you need to do is to then click on save. So once you're done creating your locker, the next step is driving traffic and making money off this course. And to do this, you want to head over to tumblr.com as not a lot of affiliate marketers are using this website, which makes it easier for you to make money. And don't worry, you are not going to be creating any content on this website. All you just need to do is to come over to the search section of your account and you want to type in keyword related to that niche. And since we are using ChatGPT, all you just need to do is to search for ChatGPT. And once you search for ChatGPT, then you want to come over to where it says all time and you want to change this to last week. All right. So you can change this to last week or you can change this to today. All right. So all you need to do from here is to then click on notes. So once you click on note is just like a form of engagement, like likes, shares that you see on other platforms. All right. So you want to come over to people who liked this content, as that tells you that these people are interested in this content. So once you come over here, as you can see, over 252 people liked this post, which tells you they are interested in ChatGPT content. And all you need to do from here is to then click on each of them profiles. So we are going to take this one here as an example, and you want to click on this plus button. So once you click on this plus button, you will be able to send a message to this person. And this is where you want to get creative. So all you need to do is to type in something captivating like this, but feel free to tweak this anyhow you want it. Okay. As you can see, it says, check out this free ChatGPT course. It helped me grow my business and it can surely help you as well. All right. So this is all you need to do right here, as a lot of people are looking to grow their business. And this is where you want to paste in your content locker link. And to grab the link, all you need to do is to go back to your CPAGrip account and you want to click on get links. So once you do this, you want to then copy your URL file local link. And once you do this, you can basically create a landing page. If you want to do that, all you just need to do is to go over to card.co, and you can build a one-page landing page to promote this course. If you don't want to do that, you can basically just use a URL shortener to hide your link. All I just need to do is to paste in the link in this box, and it's going to give me the shortened link of that content local. Okay, so you want to copy the content local link. All you just need to do from here is to paste in that local link right here. All you just need to do from here is to simply click on send. All right, so you want to repeat this same process by doing this for other accounts as well. As you can see, I'm not even following this account, and I can send the message to this account. So you want to basically do this for as many accounts as possible, and keep in mind most of the traffic that comes to Tumblr are from tier 1 country. As you can see right here, it gets over 500 million visits every single month, and most of the traffic, as you can see, is from mainly United States. And if these people complete 3 offers from your content local, you can imagine how much you're going to get per person. All right, so this is a very simple method, and also you don't have to do this in this niche alone. Just like I showed you, you can come over to where it says topic, and you can select any topic right here and replicate this same strategy. And if you do this, you will definitely be making money in passive income, as people post this content every single day. All right, so that is why if you come over here, you can change this to today, as you can see. All right, so you can also come over here and follow this hashtag as well, which is going to let you know when people create content on this hashtag, and you can immediately send the DM to those people to go over to the landing page.